Skies will clear out as we head on towards Sunday morning. Those of you doing some last-minute shopping, treat your sidewalk, your front step, your walkways, that sort of thing. It will be a little slick out there, especially if you've dropped below freezing. Then tomorrow we'll see some sunshine and mix it up with a few clouds from time to time. Notice the temperatures below freezing in the 20s north and west of town, rising up through the 30s to near perhaps 40 in some spots, especially Boston southward tomorrow. But all in all, the clouds will start to gather later on in the day in advance of our Christmas Eve storm. So rain is pretty much done with. It'll be cooling later on and turning drier as well. About 32 in Boston, but areas outside the city, of course, dropping back through the 20s once more. So a refreeze of sorts overnight tonight where you had the rain. Up to about 41 in town tomorrow. That may be a little optimistic. Some sunshine, clouds later in the day. Sun rises at 7:11 in the morning. There you go, about 39 Taunton, 40 Marshfield, 40 in Hyannis, 30s north and west of 495. All right, so where's this next storm coming from? It's actually two systems. First one moving through the Great Lakes. It spawns another system down to the south, but tomorrow is a break in the action. No problems tomorrow. Once that low pressure starts moving toward Nantucket, it'll start to intensify. It'll have cold air to the northwest of it. It will pass right over the Cape and the islands, we think, and that means it's going to fling in a bunch of warm air to areas south of Boston. And that's why we're going for very little, if any, snow in that specific area. Behind the storm, the winds will start cranking up. We've got high wind watches posted for the Cape. Here's my latest snowfall forecast. You'll notice if you watched earlier tonight, I've kind of lowered the totals a little bit around Boston. I've brought the 0 to 2 line northward, so I think there'll be more of a rain situation, much of Plymouth and Bristol counties down through the Cape and the islands. Lesser amounts working into the Boston area, a coating to as much as 2 inches, and that depends really how fast that cold air can really kind of dive back in behind the system. If there's still some precipitation left over, and I think there could be, we may see it change over to snow and accumulate somewhat in some grassy surfaces. 2 to 4 inches north and west of town, and then the lion's share of snow is going to be up through Worcester County, the Worcester Hills, back into the Connecticut Valley and into New Hampshire, where you get 4 to 8 inches of snow. There are winter storm watches posted all through New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine, as well as northern Massachusetts. And you've got a high wind watch posted for the Cape as winds may gust over 50 miles per hour with the passage of that storm system on Christmas morning. So there you go on your 7-day forecast. A nice day for tomorrow. Nighttime snow to the northwest, a mix around Boston, rain down to the south. That'll continue through at least the first half of Christmas Day on Monday. We're only up into the mid-30s for high temperatures and then starting to fall in the afternoon, turning colder Monday night. Tuesday, 20s, that's it. And if you think that's cold, teens and single digits are here for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week.